Good afternoon, peoples. Good afternoon, peoples. It's your daily portfolio update. Today was super weird. Um, this morning, dude, I was up a good like 5% total gain. It was like 3% total gains this morning until I want to say noontime. Dude, the market did a full 180. Everything was green. Green being all the. I think Nas was up like 3% today, or like 2% today. Everything was up in the early session. Um, I was up like $8. Um, yeah, dude, that was super weird, especially when Apple had a really good earnings last night. Like the market just ripped this morning. It was on the tear. Everything was green. Everything. But yeah, man. So some news came out um, while the market turned around in the afternoon because the White House confirmed the 25% tariffs for Canada, Mexico, and 10% on China. So that initiated the forced selling of the market. Again, today Apple was up 4% today, and it ended up turning back around in the red. Uh, 26 out of the 30 Dow components or stocks were in the red today, and 9 out of 11 sectors in the S&P were red today towards the end. And decliners led to a 5-2 margin in the New York Stock Exchange and a 2-1 in the Nasdaq. So yeah, weird day, weird day. But hey, you know what? That's why I say you tie everything to the index. Why? Because we're actually beating the markets today. Look up here, right here where my mouse is. Uh, S&P is down zero point 0.5. I'm days gain. I'm down 0.10. Overall gain. I'm neutral. I'm beating the Nasdaq and I'm beating Dow. So yeah, we're beating the market. That's the main thing. Um, at least one component is what I look for, and we're beating all three, so that's good. Um, Give me a second. Hold on, I'm trying to look at something real quick. Yeah, see, I'm gonna get into all my stocks tomorrow. Hopefully, I don't go golfing tomorrow, but yeah, I'm gonna. If not, this video will come out on Sunday. I'm gonna talk about all my stocks. Some of these have um, like they work in down markets. Like the dividends is increased in a down market, so that's kind of cool. All my stocks or funds have a utility. They serve a purpose. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna explain them all tomorrow or Sunday. But yep. So my leaders for today: cornerstones, cornerstone, and my two Nasdaq funds were leading. Everybody else was lagging. Yeah. So the good part. Why do I do this? You see this right here? I don't really care what happens in the market because, like what I always say, I'm going to get 8 paychecks tonight at midnight. And they're right here. So look, go to my estimated income. I know it's small. I have a small account, but again, once you start adding stuff to it, you'll see. So tonight, I'm getting $5 tonight. My other investment strategy that I was doing, I was making like $4 a month. This is for the week. Look at that. Boom. My two monthlies are paying out, and I still get my weeklies. Now they kind of declined a little bit because of the volatility, but that's fine. I'm still getting paid. I'm gonna always say this. This is going to be the theme for my channel: guaranteed income. Unless these stocks go to zero and the company says, "All right, well, we're no longer going to be a company anymore. Like we're done." I'm going to keep putting money into these things. So I will talk about NAB erosion and all that stuff later on because it's kind of not true. But yeah, um, Crazy, bro. Crazy. Even with a bad market, I'm still getting paid. I'm getting $5, right? So the plan is to keep growing this and keep growing this and keep growing this and keep growing this and keep growing it. My goal for the end of this year would probably maybe even sooner than that, but my goal for this year is to make $300 a month. That's so attainable because $100 a month is like another month, 2 months away. I can make $100 a month by doing absolutely nothing. So my goal for the end of this year is to make at least $300 a month. That would be so tight. $300 a month guaranteed. The next year I want to make $1,000 a month. And the year before that, 2 grand a month. All this shit's going to snowball. That's why I'm documenting this. So I'm showing you guys you can start with a small account. But yeah. So for the year, I'm supposed to make $100 right now. Remember, I have $200 waiting to be cleared from E-Trade. So yeah. Um, Yeah, dude, that's just so cool just seeing like the dividends rolling weekly. Like it like makes me want to go harder. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm getting $5 tonight. That's cool. Guaranteed money. Guaranteed money. So yeah, with that being said, I still don't care about again, um, red days. I buy more on red days. I buy more when the green days. You know what I mean? Just keep buying, keep putting money up. Keep putting money. You guys got to understand money. You have to understand money. The stock market is inflated. Oh Lord, I'm gonna go down my rabbit hole. The stock market is inflated with the U.S. dollars, right? They're printing dollars every single second. Those dollars have to find a home, and it finds a home in assets like the stock market, real estate, Bitcoin, gold, silver, right? Stock market goes up over time. It has to go up over time. Again, I just gave you like $1 million worth of fucking secrets, right? As long as that water faucet in the Federal Reserves is still on, they're printing money every single second. It's going to find a home in the stock market. So just keep buying, right? Now I'm explaining more about that later on because that's kind of like not like this is just a number on a screen, right? Just a number on a screen. So is like price are these companies actually growing? That's another topic for another day. So I just want y'all to like think about that. Yes, money is being dumped into these stocks, but is the company actually growing? We're gonna talk about that later on. This channel is gonna be a lot, bro. I'm gonna be giving y'all so much game, bro. I've learned so much, man. After I stopped trading, I just focused strictly on my stocks. I studied my mentors' videos and read my books, bro. Like, it's really crazy what the market or how money works. That's why y'all. That's why I'm always going to say you have to understand money. You have to understand money. So when I talk about Bitcoin later on down the year in a few months, I'm gonna explain that you have to understand money, right? Real estate's inflated, right? The stock market's inflated. You have to understand money. Why are these companies actually growing? Some are, some aren't. So it looks like the company. So it looks like I'm gonna put y'all on later on, man. I ain't gonna spill too much. I wanna make this video short, man. That's again another video for another day because I'll go down a rabbit hole and I'll talk for hours about that. 'Cause that shit's crazy. But anyway, again, I'm a dividend investor. I mine. The purpose of this channel is I mine fiat currency, right? Because I know the stock market's inflated. I know it's fugazi. I mine fiat. I mine currency, right? The U.S. dollar is a currency. Bitcoin, gold, and silver is money. I mine fiat, which is I get money from here, and I put this money towards Bitcoin. That Bitcoin will be my savings account. Bitcoin is a money. If you don't know the difference between the money and the currency, well, here's y'all's first homework. It's probably the best. Um, sorry, let's read something real quick. Tighten shit. Where am I? Where am I at? Yeah, this is the best video I've ever watched in my entire life. So, these videos right here, the hidden secrets of money. Watch this whole 10-part series. This shit's better than a college degree, bro. It's better than any college course. It's insane. This these 10 this episode 1 will make you like be like, what the hell, bro? And then episode 4 is crazy. Actually, episode 4 is the scariest. He explains how all this money shit works without just telling you about the stock market, right? But episode 1, money versus currency, right? The US dollar is a currency, gold, silver, Bitcoin is a money. So here's y'all's homework. Watch this 10-part series, right? So yeah, without this being too long, that's what happened today. Again, I'm beating all the indexes, which is cool. That's my objective, is to beat or meet the index. And yeah, we beat it today. And yeah, we're getting some money. We're getting $5 tonight at midnight. And then yeah, hopefully tomorrow I don't go golfing. I'll make the video about all of my positions, every single one of them, in-depth breakdown, so you know like what they are and why they do what they do. They all have a special like utility. So yep, that's all I got today. I will catch y'all tomorrow.